Hello, today we are going to create a Pong game in Scratch. So, Akash here is going to help me do this.
Okay, first let's get our sprites. We're going to go to choose a sprite. We're going to get two sprites. First, the ball.
Okay,
Now, we are going to get a paddle. Okay, yeah, there it is. Next, we're going to go to the ball. And first we're going to make the ball move.
okay,
So we're going to go to events and get one green flag clicked. And then we'll go to actually let's go to motion and then we'll get point and direction. Right now it says 90, but we are going to turn that into 45.
okay,
Next, we're going to go to control and get forever, the forever block.
mm-hmm.
And then we're going to go back to motion and we're going to get move 10 steps and we're going to get if on edge bounce. Now let's test it. Okay, click the green flag, and it should move just like this.
Okay. So it's just bouncing around
Yeah.
and on edge it will bounce.
So it doesn't like get stuck on the
Uh
edge.
huh. Okay, now stop.
Yeah. Let's stop it.
So,
Okay, I'm going to go to variables.
uh huh.
Okay, and get and I'm going to make a variable,
Okay,
and I'm going to name it score, and then I'm going to press OK. Now it should show up. The check mark should already show up, and it'll show score. I'm going to drag that to the middle real quick. Okay, there. Next, we're going to have to figure out how the points will change.
okay,
Okay, so we're going to get go to events and get one green flag clicked,
mm-hmm.
and then we'll get forever, right?
Yeah, let's see.
Okay. Okay, and then if then we'll go to sensing.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll say touching, it should be at the top touching, and it'll say mouse pointer right now, but we're going to get paddle
Okay,
for now. Okay? If touching paddle, then, okay,
then the score increases.
yeah, the score increases. So we'll go back to variables. And right now it says change my variable by one. We're going to change that to change change
Score.
score by one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now let's test it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's click this. And yeah, it touched the paddle and it went up. But not by one, it went by a few. Yeah, since
Yeah,
it's
because as long as
touching.
it is touching, right?
Yeah, so should we put wait 1 second then?
Maybe. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah. Because we're just getting way too many points.
Yeah.
There.
Okay.
Now let's try it. Oh, right. Just click this one.
First stop and then do. We need to
Okay.
reset it because score is now 37. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
that works.
Yeah,
But
that
we
works
need
better.
to reset it, right?
Yeah, so next, what we're going to do is go back to variables.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to get set my. It says variable right now. We're going
Mm-hmm.
to change it to score.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and set score to 0. And what?
And shouldn't that go over here before the forever?
Oh yeah, that's a good point. Instead of just getting a new one green flag
Yeah.
clicked. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Thanks.
Okay, now let's test that again.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's much better. Otherwise, it'll just be the same thing as the last person
Uh-huh.
did. Okay. Next, let's stop it. Okay, next, we are going to go to the paddle real quick because the paddle can't move at all. We have to make it move.
Okay.
So we'll go to motion.
Mm-hmm.
Go to. It says random position right now. We're going to have mouse pointer instead, and then we'll get the forever block. This is a really simple code. So, and then the one green flag clicked.
Okay.
And we'll put that on there. Like, this is all we're going to have to do for the paddle.
Uh-huh.
Like, now it just goes straight to the mouse.
So now the paddle is moving wherever the mouse is going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's nothing else we'll have to add.
Okay.
Next, let's go back to the ball.
Mm-hmm.
Now we need now if we can only gain points, then this game is way too simple. So we'll get one green flag clicked.
Okay.
Forever. Forever. Okay. If then. Okay, and then we're going to go to sensing. Touching edge.
Okay. So you're checking if the ball is touching the edge.
Forever.
Shouldn't you be touching the ground? Testing it for the ground?
Well, there's no difference between the ground and the edge.
Right now? Okay.
Yes.
Because you can...
So should we just keep it at edge, or should we like add a sprite like there and then name it like ground?
I think that would make sense.
Okay. Yeah, that seems much better. So
because otherwise you lose a lot of points, right? Because
yeah.
edge, it's going to touch the edge.
Yeah, so we'll go to paint.
I thought we can just pick another.
No,
sprite.
this is funner. Okay, well, we do not want an outline, or otherwise it won't work.
Okay.
We'll get green.
Okay.
That's a good green.
I know.
Yeah, I accidentally painted that there. So next, it should be selected on the square. Okay, you have to select the square, and then you're going to make a ground.
Drag and...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Click, drag. There. That's simple.
That's yeah.
No, look over here. It appeared wrong. I'll just extend it a bit more. And then I'll just go down because oh, come on. I don't want a new sprite.
You are going to...
I have to click the mouse.
The select. That's called the select.
Yeah, same thing.
Arrow. Yeah.
And then I'm going to click this and then drag it down. I'm pretty sure that's more than I need to, but it's fine. Okay, now we'll go to code, and then I think how do we name a sprite?
You want to rename this sprite?
Yeah, because right now it said right now it says sprite 1, and that seems weird. So should it be ground?
Yeah, we can just ground.
Okay, yeah, now it's called ground. Now we'll go back to the ball. Okay. Now instead of touching edge, we can have touching ground. Then we'll go to variables. Change my variable. Right now it says 1. Okay, but we're going to have to change that to -1.
Okay. -1. And there. Instead of my variable?
Yeah, we need score.
No.
We'll put that in there.
Okay.
And then we'll check. Oh.
And go up there and do that. Yeah.
Oh.
So here also, I think you should put that wait 1 second.
Yeah. Oh, no, 1, 2. Oh, okay. So, control, it's at the very top. Wait 1 second.
Okay.
And we have to make it bounce too, because it just stays down there. It like goes under.
So now.
Okay, now, so when it touches the ground,
Mm-hmm.
it like goes into it. Yeah, do you see it like disappears into it?
Yeah, so we need to fix that.
Okay.
Okay, let me stop that. And we are going to put another code block, which is uh, where is that motion? Yes, turn.
Yeah, 15 degrees.
So instead of 15 degrees, we can do 180 because we want it to go to the on the other,
Mm-hmm.
go the other direction, right?
Uh-huh. And then we also wanted to move
Yeah.
15 steps. We'll
For
change
10
that to
steps.
15.
Okay.
That's
Oh,
115.
sorry. There you go.
Okay. And
And I think let's check now, right?
mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, now it just bounces off completely.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Wait. Can I real quick? Is the paddle?
No, paddle is not bouncing the ball. We need to change fix that code.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. So
And I think also we need to change. I think we need to change this to 1.5.
point five is.
Yeah.
I mean that's fine.
I feel like it's taking too long.
Okay. This also here
Uh,
also. Do you want to change it to 0.5?
sure. I don't care for that one.
Okay. Let's now. Um, we need to put the turn
Turn and then we'll change it to 180.
180 and move.
Okay, should we add some randomness to it?
Let's just see if this one works.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, yeah, it works alright.
Yeah.
I feel like we need to make the ground a bit smaller because I feel
Yeah.
like it's taking up the whole
Yeah.
thing.
We don't have enough room here.
Yeah.
No, so you wanted to add randomness, right?
Uh
To
huh.
the
So, uh,
let's.
so we'll go to operators.
Uh-huh.
And then let's see, where is it?
Pick random.
Okay, so it says pick random 1 to 10. We're going to change that
170.
to 190.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Yeah, we
let's
could
see.
also do that for the ground.
Okay. So we will change this to. Okay. 170 and 190 here. Yeah, it's going.
Yeah, it's pretty random now.
Yeah.
Okay, next let's make that ground a bit smaller.
Okay.
Okay, then we'll go into here, costumes.
Mhm.
We're in the ground, and then click that, select it, and then turn it down a bit. Is that good, or should we
Yeah,
make it?
that's good.
Okay,
You
good.
can bring it further down if you want to, but this is good.
Okay. Now what should we do?
I think that's it.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
And now, if you want to, yeah, it's working all right. So, if you want to, you could make it. Wait, can I real quick? You could make it so when the score gets to 5, it'll like change the backdrop.
Okay.
Okay. This was a really fun project to do.
Yes.
Hard, but not too hard.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.